Hello, everybody. Once again, welcome. This is Caldera Creative Creations. This is a channel we make wreaths for occasion, holiday occasion, and some decor. Today, I am making a spectacular one. Look at all the variety and textures. We're working with some squashes, some pumpkins. We got some apples, cranberries. We got some leaves. We got cranberries. We got some boogaloos. We got assorted variety of leaves. Yes, and some pine cones and a little piece of cotton. I just was looking in some of my boxes and I'm like, hey, I could use this and that. So here we go. Let's get this started. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. We got something spectacular going today, and I had this done. It's just I just didn't put it out, but hey, I'm here. Okay, there we go. Just put the pumpkins down, and like always, just use your imagination. Go to town with those. Ornaments in. Wow, look at just how beautiful it is going already. Hey, look at that, everyone. Okay, we got this other squash right here. We're just gonna put in, and then we got this. We got a pear going on up here. Wow, this is a lot of variety. We got a pomegranate. Okay. Oh, ay. Let me see. You know what I did? I got this kind of bigger piece, by different ones with assorted things in there, and just put those on in here. This is just nothing but like fruits and leaves, and no ribbons, no mesh. Here we go. Wow. How is that coming, everybody? How is that coming? Let's just get this adjusted here. Oh my. And we're going to have another cranberry up here, I think. There we go. And let's get some going down here. Another cranberry. All right, let's get some color down here. Remember to step back and visualize so you know what you're working with. Let me put this thing over here. Yes, indeed. This is so much fun working with these different fruits, dried fruits, baked fruits. Let's just get these boogaloos and go to town with the boogaloos. Just even out your wreath, I think I'll put a pine cone there. Let's get some boogaloos over here. Just, visualize. Get some leaves, and let's just go wild with all the leaves, Just put them in the empty part. Oh, yeah. You know what? I think there's too many cranberries. We got to tone it down right here. And let's put a pine cone in here. We'll put a pine cone in here. There we go. And let's get this little crayon apple over here. I like that sound. By Mr. Apple. Oh my, there we go. We are going to get some cotton in here. Let's get some cotton in there. Wow. And let's just start with the leaves. All your leftover leaves, just take them out and let's start filling up this beautiful wreath. That'd be so neat to have all the real ones, and just put it with real fruit, I think that would be bad. Okay. Get all the spaces where we need the leaves. And uh-oh, I got another little pine cone. Where can I put this guy? I think I'm going to put him right in here. Wow. It's coming out pretty good, huh? Get some boogaloos right here. Let's get some more leaves going right here. Oh, how beautiful. There we go. Christmas is coming and I cannot wait. Next month I'm going to go shopping for my... I still don't know what my theme is. Some it's going to be kind of shimmery. I'm going to have shimmery. It's going to be shimmery. I think blue, pink. I try to work with pink, but I don't know. Sometime. Maybe this time I'll get that pink in my tree. Okay. But I think we're almost done, everybody. How's this coming along? Just so gorgeous. Get some boogaloo over here and hang on now. Hold up. Let's get their little stool they could sit on so we could see what a beautiful project we made. Let me put my easel up so you guys could see our spectacular. Hoping nothing falls off. But you could use your glue gun, you know. I just take mine out. I reuse my stuff. So. But yeah, if you want your stuff to stick, you use your magic glue gun and be careful because that get hot. Okay, let me see. There we go, everybody. Okay, hopefully you see it. I don't know. Let me fix my camera. I think I'm gonna put a boogaloo right up here. Here. Okay, let me check my camera. Here we go, everybody. Let me fix this. And here we go. Wow, check that out. Yeah. It's pretty spectacular. Yes, so use your imagination and be creative, and you will come out with a spectacular wreath for fall. Well, hope you guys enjoyed my videos, and thank you for coming and supporting my channel by subscribing. Once again, thank you, and have a fun, festive fall. La 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 la. How beautiful. See ya.